When people think about affordable family cars in India, SUV gets all attention. But one car that continues to offer excellent value is Hyundai Aura. With its premium features, comfortable cabin, fuel-efficient engines, and Hyundai's trusted after-sales service, the Aura remains a strong contender in the compact sedan segment. So in this video, let's take a complete look at Hyundai Aura. We will cover its design, interior, features, safety, engine options, mileage, driving experience, pricing, and whether it's worth buying in 2026. Exterior. The Hyundai Aura has modern and elegant design. At the front, it features Hyundai's signature dark chrome grille, projector headlamps, LED DRLs, and a sporty looking bumper that gives it a premium appearance. From the side, the compact dimensions make it easy to drive in city traffic, while the 15-inch dual-tone alloy wheels on higher variants add to its overall appeal. At the rear, the distinctive LED tail lamps connected by a chrome garnish give the Aura a unique identity. Dimensions. The Aura measures 3,995 mm in length, 1,600 mm in width, 1,520 mm in height, and it has a wheelbase of 2,450 mm. It also offers 402 liters of boot space, making it practical for family trips and daily use. Interior and features. Inside, the Aura feels well built and comfortable. The dual-tone cabin gives it airy feel, while the seats provide good comfort for both city commutes and longer drives. Depending on the variant, features include an 8-inch touchscreen system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, automatic climate control, wireless phone charger, rear AC vents, cruise control, push start button, steering mounted controls, USB charging ports, and electrically adjustable ORVMs. Overall, the cabin quality is impressive for its price segment. Safety. Hyundai has made safety a priority by offering 6 airbags as standard across all variants. Other safety features include electronic stability control (ESC), vehicle stability management (VSM), hill start assist, ABS with EBD, tire pressure monitoring system (TPMS), ISOFIX child seat mounts, rear parking sensors, and a rear view camera on higher variants. Engine options. The Aura is available with two powertrains. The 1.2-liter Kappa petrol engine produces 83 PS of power and 113 Nm of torque, paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 5-speed AMT. There is also a factory-fitted CNG version that produces 69 PS of power and 95 Nm of torque, available with a 5-speed manual gearbox. The petrol engine is smooth, refined, and well suited for both city driving and occasional highway journeys. Mileage. According to ARAI figures, the petrol manual delivers around 17 km per liter. The petrol AMT also returns around 17 km per liter, while the CNG variants offer an impressive 28.4 km per kg. Actual mileage will vary depending on driving conditions and traffic. Driving experience. The Aura is tuned for comfort. Its suspension absorbs bumps well, making rough roads easier to handle. The steering is light for city driving and stable at highway speeds. While it isn't a sporty sedan, it delivers a refined and comfortable driving experience that most family buyers will appreciate. Price. The Hyundai Aura is priced around 6.5 lakhs to 9.1 lakhs ex-showroom, depending on variant and powertrain. Prices may vary by city and future model updates. Verdict. If you are looking for a compact sedan that offers comfort, reliability, good fuel efficiency, modern features, and strong safety equipment, the Hyundai Aura remains an excellent choice in 2026. It may not be most performance-oriented car in its segment, but for daily commuting and family use, it delivers well-balanced package that's easy to own and enjoyable to drive. So would you choose Hyundai Aura over rivals like Maruti Dzire, Honda Amaze, or Tata Tigor? Let me know in comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive content. Thanks for watching.